Ooh, spooky spider hair.
Okay, Coco, but first, can Mommy remove the kinetic sand from your hair? Okay.
TV personality Jeannie Mai has been enjoying the Halloween season with her daughter Monaco. The dynamic duo recently shared a cute Halloween spider hairstyle to try on the babies. And later on, we spotted Mommy Jeannie Mai sharing a Halloween drink recipe for us grown folks to try.
Ooh, spooky spider hair.
Okay, Coco, but first, can Mommy remove the kinetic sand from your hair? Okay. Ever since we got a pet spider into our home, we've been very inspired of different spidery themed things for Halloween. First, I give my baby a deep leave-in conditioner treatment, a combination of Paul Mitchell's lavender mint, so moisturizing, and Mael's. And I always have to give her a book around this time because she gets so relaxed when I'm doing her hair, which is a good thing because I try to be really gentle with Monaco's hair since she's super tender-headed. So I usually don't put her hair up much except for special occasions. Next, we like repurposing things around this house. So find a black t-shirt that you're not using anymore, cut out 2 small black squares, tuck in the ends just like this. And don't forget to check in with your baby to make sure it's not too tight. Yes, that's right, Coco. Jung Gong Yun means legs of a spider in Vietnamese. Twist 4 black pipe cleaners on each bun so you get 8 legs on each side and give it a good creepy crawly shape. Googly eyes from Amazon or Michael's, hit them with some lash glue. Oh, word? Your mama was a makeup artist? Didn't you get hooked up, Coco? Arts and craft hate to see me coming.
I'm beautiful. I like my spider.
You do like it, Coco?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yay! Mommy, we did.
As we said previously, Jeannie Mai shared a spooky Halloween drink recipe with fans to promote Owl's Brew, where Jeannie Mai hosts the title of Chief Brand Officer. Please remember you must be of legal age to drink any alcoholic beverages, and please drink responsibly.
Who else is a Halloween fiend like me? Because boy, do I have a drink for you. I grew up in the 80s and 90s, which in my opinion was the golden era for trick-or-treating. I would start out at the rich houses and get the full-size candy bars. And I'd work my way towards my house where I got dope things like that cigarette gum that blows smoke. Remember that? Or like lemon heads and mini mambas. Oh, those were so good. Listen, if you're passing out candy, do not the game with the wax stuff, okay? No Brocs, no Tootsie Rolls. Ew to Three Musketeers. Definitely Pixie Sticks. Yes to nerds. If you're even thinking about Raisinets, get the
Goddess Vision TV. Celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.